Hey, good morning, guys. Today we are gonna play the twins in nightmare mode, and this nightmare mode has been done on request. So remember, this has been done on a comment request. So the comment was you should play nightmare mode by Shogun. I have already played nightmare mode before on the twins. So if you didn't know, I completely know you didn't know that I have played it before because I didn't tell anybody. Remember, I have told you that I'm not kinda okay. I'm not kinda okay in health. But I'll never stop entertaining you guys. Oh, okay. Gramps, I thought you would come here. Why didn't you come here? Okay, here's Buck and I saw Granny coming from that place. She would not remember me, but she will come with the sound of the there it is. Hey, Granny. Oh my gosh, you're looking like... Hey, wait a sec. Granny is looking like their grandchapter 2 nightmare mode model. Yeah, okay. There you go. And die. There you go. Die. So, Gramps, now you are gonna disturb me. You're such a fool. Why are you disturbing me? Let's just avoid him and go up and do my work. Here's a revolver part. And behind those planks there is a revolver part. Okay, I'm just coughing too much. Hey, Woo! I just survived in such a dangerous scene. I don't know how did I survive. That was impossible to survive, I know. So, but no problem because I survived. Grandpa was so close and Grandpa has quite a long range of hitting. But Buck has the highest one. And Grandpa is the second highest one. Granny has the third highest one. And Bob can only catch from very close. Even when Bob comes too close, he cannot catch you. But when he comes just too close, he can catch you. Okay, so either take the plank. So let's take this iron disc. Let's go inside and all these messages are tiring me. Oh gosh. Okay, so let's go now. Oh my gosh, let's go. Where's Grandpa? Where is he? This is just becoming too dark. I can't see. I will edit bright in when I edit. So let's go. And many of you people think like I will show you the part like that. Like it is only possible in PC, not in mobile. I have seen many players just do like put the joystick and we wouldn't move, then crouch or stand. But while moving the joystick, I crouch on stand and crouch and stand. So people may think that I play on emulator. No, but I do not play in emulator. I play on mobile. I just put the index finger of my right hand and move the joystick from my thumb of the left hand. So that's how I do it. Look at this. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's how I do it. So here Gramps, I have heard Gramps opening a door. So no problem. Let's just go. Let's go inside now. Let's go down and just close this door. Who has opened this door? I don't know if I opened it myself. Then I'm being silly. Okay, there's nobody here. Let's just oh Bob. Hey, how did we shoot? Bob died in a bear trap and Buck died by my shot. And Granny needs to come. Great, very wrong. Okay, get out. Okay, let's just quick now. Quick. And like the room in where I'm sitting right now is quite echoing. I don't know why. I hear echoing well. Why? This was not meant to happen, but I have faced this several times and that destroys my speed run. And I have already video because it was taking just too much space. And that time my phone hadn't space. Like, that was not the phone. I had an older phone than this one. That phone had 15 GB storage. Yeah. This one has 32 GB storage. I think more 15. Yeah, I think so. So that one had less storage, and that video took at least 100 MB. I think I remember that much. So now that phone storage was mostly used because it means rain free and I mean not rain free. I mean the Twins was installed and it took too much space, and I didn't have a iManager. There's an iManager app on this phone to clear space. Like, you can even install apps. No, not install, but uninstall. Yeah, and also you can do that from settings. So not done. Just not talk about it. Focus on the game. Let's open these things and hey, what am I doing? Why am I pushing myself? Let's go. Why did the music stop? Oh, there it is back again. Where is Grandpa? Everybody will wake up and Grandpa will still not be spotting me. Oh, shit. Oh, where is Grandpa? There you are. Come on here, boy. Why aren't you seeing me? I thought you see me back. Get out. And Gramps is now going for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. That makes it spooky. I need to what did that say? Yeah, I need to reload my gun. Then go up and hello. I see a person who's waiting for a shot. No problem, because I don't think even Granny has spawned. Because Granny had died quite a long time after Bob died. Bob has died first. I know that. I saw Buck. Hey Buck. Hey Buck. Okay, and get out. And you're here. And you get out. Wait, get out. Yeah, there you are. So, where's Bob? Why do we hear some water sound? I think Grandpa's woken up. No, this glitch only happens with Granny and Buck. This glitch. Oh, I think that glitch happens with Bob only. Like, when he walks, it sounds like, what am I telling? It sounds like he's walking in the sewer. That is quite a big glitch. And there's another glitch which I was talking about. There is a Buck and Granny. This glitch only happens with Buck and Granny when they die. That does not happen when they first die, but this might happen when they die 4th or 5th. So 4th, not 2nd or 3rd. So whenever we kill them, and out of nowhere another model of them comes out. Like, that's a glitch, like 2 Bucks, 2 Grannies. That's a very peculiar glitch. Here's an ammo. Let's pick up the ammo. We're gonna go down to the beetle now. Okay, let's go inside. Yeah, there we are. And here, put it. Oh, there you go. And where is my elevator? Alright, come on now. You take 10 hours to reach here. What a slow elevator. I want this to be let's increase the sound I have. This that mode, the change music bit has no sound, and but I can't hear their footsteps. That's why I died while trying. I had died 1 time before this, and 2 times. But when I died for the first time, I leave the game because I don't want to even die 1 time or fall 1 time. That makes me think I have destroyed all my progress. So that's I always want to complete in full lifeline. When I complete in full lifeline, I'm always happy. If I complete in full lifeline, there's no chance I would be sad. Yeah. I have said you're not Kinda, okay? So just please bother it. Sorry. Well, right now premiered horror games. When I first I'm just telling about premiered horror games. Let's put this handle in the seal. So now I'm talking about premiered horror games, and my premiered horror games and Faithful Henry are my most loved subscribers by me. And I remember Movies and Gamer channel. So he was also a subscriber, but I don't know if he still views the videos I do. It might, because today when I uploaded that, which video was it? Yeah, the Game Overs. It got to 5. The first way I know it's mine, the first view. So the second, it went to the 5th. I have 4 subscribers now. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So now it became 5 views. So now 5 days. I think he still views my channel. When I upload a video, he gets notification. But today, people getting a bit late, but I am not angry. I still appreciate you guys, but I'm happy about that you still like my videos, and thanks just for that. And I'll never bother that if you're late. But if you're just 1 year late, like that will never happen, I know. So if you're 1 year late, then I'll be a bit angry. 1 year late cannot ever happen. That just will be too much of it. So here we escaped nightmare mode. Thanks, it looks very good, and the catching sound I have experienced many times. So, and guys, of course, like and subscribe, and that's for it. And for that, bye bye. And these guys, bye bye. Do you work? Happy ending. Bye bye.